Welcome again with a new editorial which headlines is The Honey Industry and Its Bittersweet Reality. So what does pure honey mean and why does the recent report flagging adulteration by popular brands matter? So the story so far, the Center for Science and Environment CSE last week released results of an investigation it had conducted in the quality of honey being produced in India. It reported that products by many popular brands were not honey and in fact had been spiked with added sugar. Therefore, they ought not to be branded and sold as honey. The Center for Science and Environment also showed that adulteration technology had become sophisticated and there were commercial products available which are designed to cheat the taste that Indian food testing laboratories conduct to ascertain the purity of honey. So the question is there anything called pure honey? Over millennia, honey was what bees made from plant nectar and people only just squeezed out the contents of honeycombs, scrubbed it clean of bees, pollen and other visible residues. This is honey that is either sourced from wild bees or domesticated bees in apiaries. However, none of this constitutes pure honey because it is a marketing term and a superficial phrase that masks the complexity that is honey. India's food regulator, the Food Safety and Standard Authority of India, in July published a new set of regulations that the third in the 3 years called the Revised Standard of Honey. Now, where does one find the term pure honey in it? However, given that the adulteration of honey with added sugar is called global problem, that is a global problem. The regulation listed the chemicals content, that is tolerable limits of impurities that must be detected by specific test for a batch of honey presented by a company for labeling to another right to market its product as honey. Honey is then classified as either blossom or nectar honey, which is what comes from nectar of plants, or honeydew, which comes mainly from excretions of plant sucking insects, that is Hemiptera order, on the living parts of plants. The honey that is ultimately made available can be a combination of these and can differ widely in honey profiles. There are at least 300 recognized types of honeys in the world. How is honey tested? So honey is a primarily complex of the fructose, glucose and sucrose sugars. It has a relatively high fructose contents, which is why it is sweeter than commercial sugar, which is heavier on sucrose. The latter also breaks down less easily. Laboratory tests determine acceptable ratios of these sugars and tolerance limits. There is also a tolerance for ash content and HMF, which is hydroxymethyl furfural, which forms when honey is heated. Hydroxymethyl furfural is actually toxic for bees. The reason a wide range of chemical variety is allowed is because different flowers have varying characteristics of nectar and express different chemical compounds that are sensitive to light, temperature and geography. Therefore, it is possible to have raw honey that may be less sweet or high on sucrose or is lighter or darker. Researchers in New Zealand have reported that raw honey from the manuka tree, which is believed to have medicinal qualities, is known to fail a standard test called the C4 test. Then there are minimal levels of pollen count and foreign oligosaccharides that a quantity of honey must have. All of these have a broad tolerance range and are also influenced by the laboratory test employed to detect them. Apiaries are known to feed beehives with sugar, sucrose, to stimulate production, and this too can influence the honey profile. But whether this makes the honey raw is an open question. In all, there are 18 parameters for a product to be certified as honey. The most common are the so-called C4 and C3 tests. that determine if sugars from corn, sugarcane, rice was used to adulterate honey. The next question is, why does spiked honey matter? Honey typifies natural sweetness. The enzymes that bees use to make honey out of plant nectar render it rich in antioxidants, amino acids, and other products that give honey its medicinal properties. This is why honey is part of traditional medicine and has been promoted as an immune system stimulant. Particularly during the COVID-19 pandemic, the addition of artificial sugar syrups reduces the concentration of these elements per gram of honey. As a sweetener, honey is digested and more easily than sucrose heavy sugars, but it spikes blood sugar levels the same way commercial sugar does. Therefore, responsibly sourced honey poses similar risk to diabetics as ordinary sugars. So this is what we have learned about honey taste and how a branded company adulterate the honey quality and sell in the markets. That's why we have to beware from the honey products.